In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the time function in Google Sheets. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, mastering this feature can streamline your data handling and ensure precision in your calculations involving time. Let's get started on our journey to make the most of Google Sheets' time function. First things first, you'll need to open Google Sheets. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Sheets in your browser and either open an existing sheet or start a new one. Having your sheet ready will make following along much easier. Once you have your Google Sheet open, the next step is to focus on cell B6. Imagine cell B6 as our workspace where we'll make the magic of time calculation happen. Clicking on this cell will set the stage for our formula input. If you're wondering why we picked cell B6, it's simply a matter of choice. And you can select any cell that suits your data layout better. Now, with cell B6 selected, let's dive into the formula itself. The time function is designed to convert hours, minutes, and seconds into a single time value, making it incredibly useful for various scheduling or time tracking tasks. Type in the formula, als time B1, B2, B3. Here's how it works. The formula takes three arguments. B1 stands for the hours, B2 for the minutes, and B3 for the seconds. These will convert into a time value. Before you proceed, ensure you have values in cells B1, B2, and B3. These cells will feed the function with the respective components of the time you want to generate. Moving forward, once you've precisely typed the formula in cell B6, it's time to see it in action. Simply hit the Enter key. This simple keystroke will trigger the calculation, and you'll see the time value displayed in cell B6. If you've entered all the components correctly, the time will appear nicely formatted as you'd expect. But before wrapping up, here are a couple of tips to keep in mind. Make sure the cells you're referencing, like B1, B2, and B3, contain numerical values that represent valid times. Hours should be between 0 and 23, while minutes and seconds should be between 0 and 59. If the values exceed these limits, the function might result in errors or unexpected results, so it's vital to double-check your inputs. And there you have it. The time function can significantly enhance your spreadsheet capabilities by providing accurate time calculations for scheduling tasks or tracking durations. Feel free to experiment with this function by substituting the cell references with actual numerical values to see how it works. Enjoy exploring the depths of Google Sheets and continue building your expertise with its vast array of functions.